Hiya, this is the walkthrough of the Guardian Quiptic from the week beginning the 25th of May. Number 1071, we'll start with one down. Experimental equipment for examination. Well, examination's a test. The underground in London is the tube. And a nice scientific one to start with. Test tube for experimental equipment. Then we'll look at 10 across. Create film music from scratch. Well, that's going to be score, film music, but if you scratch something, you can score it. And then we'll have 12 across. Grease, split over cheese, cloth. Grease is fat. And, sorry, it's spilt rather than split. Over cheese. The cheese in this case is feta, which gives us taffeta, which is a type of cloth or material. 2 down, unfriendly, when a clown shows up. So a clown could be a fool, and aloof going the other way. Clown, aloof is unfriendly. 3 down, finding gift that's absolutely right makes 1 tense, and that's going to be present perfect, which is a tense, and gift is a present, and if absolutely right, it's perfect. One across. Accessories worn with kind of shirt is a T. T-shirt's tab shirt. And then striking is wrapping. On first sight, so the S at the end, it's trappings, like roasted, all the trappings of success or something like that. Freshly made hot flan gets an enthusiastic person. That's going to be an anagram of hot flan. An enthusiastic response, not person, losing the plot today, not half. Specialist used it with chancel refurbishment, and that's going to be technical as an adjective specialist, not as in the noun, a specialist. 5 down, what's used to sweeten pudding? Courses when processed. Anagram of courses, sucrose, type of sugar. 14 across, be passionate. So that could be burn, something you're burning with desire. Teacher's initial, suggestion, could be offering for a sacrifice, a burnt offering. Then we'll move to 15 down. Tape of call capturing point at which company doctor returned. So if you call somebody, you ring them. Capturing point is E. Company, CO, and doctor, DR, going the other way, returned, is tape is a recording. Tough clue, that one, 15 down, but we got there. 21 across. Wary of motoring organisation, in that case, it's going to be the RAC, going the other way, CAR, backing. Fuel, modification, anagram of fuel, careful, meaning wary. 26 across, is it the fashion to get very cross? Rage, if it's all the rage, it's the fashion. And if you rage, you are very cross. Sorry, now 17, dairy product, church, head, decrees is off. This is going to be an anagram of CH, and then head decrees, and it's going to be cheddar cheese for a dairy product. And then 18 down, distribute loot due by arrangement, anagram of loot due, and it's going to be dole out, which means distribute. 27 across, design of poster, etc., that's an anagram, is hush hush. Meaning hush hush, it's going to be top secret. Oh, sorry about that. Moving on. Hard to make out behind replica designed by European. A big long one, this. And it means Hard to make out is what it means. Behind replica designed. It's an anagram of behind replica after E for with an E for European. Indecipherable. 13 across. By and large, this garment's unfinished overall. By and large, something overall, and it is a garment as well. 7 down. Shape emerges from half-hidden recess, leading to confusion. That's going to be rectangle, because it's half of recess, RAC, and then a tangle is a confusion. $23 down, less occupied, ID, identity is ID, Leah loses the A of Cordelia finally, idler, less occupied, you're more idle. And then sent back, 25 across, sent back A, large piece is a slab, going the other way, balsa is a lightweight material. Fresh direction with actors. So if something's fresh, it's new. Direction in this case is S, and then actors is the cast. A program could be a newscast. Fruits grew to be fashionable. If you grow, you might rise or rose. If something's fashionable, it's hip. It's going to be rose hip for a fruit. Yeah, 24 across. It's going to be cloth. And what's going to fit, I think, here is loincloth. Hippie goes around your hips like Gandhi's famously wore. And then skip, start of funny, visual. So if something's jocular, it's funny. You skip the start, you just have ocular, and that means of the eye or visual. 6 across. The whole team made the cuts. It's going to be crew. That's another name for a team. And the crew cut is a type of haircut, isn't it? Then we have showing no restraint. Boy. So boy's name might be Willie. Grabs daughter. D. Wildly, meaning showing no restraints. Which just leaves us with lead singer rehearses the sound of music. The lead singer is S. And if you rehearse, you train, or rehearses, you trains. The sound of music, strains. Those are musical strains that we might hear. So there we go. That was achievable, I think. Hope you did okay, and I'll see you next week for the next one.